fingers in the air, hang on to your toupees, dial down your hearing aids, and hold on to your loved ones. Welcome to Big Boy. Big old Brad Whitney at 170, 40,000 pounds across. There we go, 10, 20, 30, 40 degrees nose high. It's leaping out of the sky. Rapidly climbing up to 1,500 feet AGL, simulated tactical departure to avoid small arms threat. Breaking into a nice tight turn. Massive aircraft like that. How big is that airplane? 174 feet long, 170 feet wide. That tail is over 5 stories in the air. Big picture. Half a football field long by a half a football field, cranking and banking just like a fighter airplane. Ladies and gentlemen, how can it do that? It's digital fly-by-wire, quadruple redundant digital flight control computers. We lose one, we don't know. We lose 2, we get a light. We lose 3, we can place the land. We lose 4, no problem. We can land that aircraft at over 500,000 pounds on a 3,500 foot long by 90 foot wide gravel strip. That's the aircraft from here left to the right with a high speed pass at over 300 miles an hour. Cranking and banking. Notice how quiet the C-17 is, ladies and gentlemen. Couple that with night vision goggles capability. You've got one sneaky airplane. The aircraft comes around for another 9270 maneuver. Going to set up for a slow flight demonstration. I have the able assistance of Officer Kevin Woodland of the Clark County School District Police Office. He has his radar gun. Officer Woodland, do you hear us? Yes, I can. Officer Woodland, do you have your radar gun? We need a radar speed of how slowly the C-17 comes across show center. Ladies and gentlemen, this demonstration of slow flight gives you an incredible display of the aerodynamic capability of that C-17. Officer Woodland, what do you read? What do you read? Officer Woodland.
All right, we're going to set you
Have a big round of applause for Officer Woodland and his outstanding capability with that radar gun. Thank you so much. The aircraft comes back around and setting up for a mid-diameter turn, 360-degree turn. We call this the transformer turn. Setting up at show center, the gear and the flaps will come out. Why is that significant? Because those flaps are so huge, they extend into the engine exhaust, giving us what we call powered lift. That's right, I know that's an oxymoron. Powered lift. How do you do that? As the aircraft is setting up, you can see the slats come out. The flaps are extending. Here comes the gear. Ladies and gentlemen, that aircraft is in around that 360-degree turn. The diameter of that turn will just be over 3,000 feet. That's comparable to driving an 18-wheeler at 85 miles an hour trying to do a 180-degree turn in a two-lane road. You think you can do it? C-17 is crazy. As the aircraft Gentlemen, we appreciate your apt attention. On behalf of your United States Air Force Reserve, the 452nd Air Mobility